What's going on YouTube? This your boy Antlo back with another video. Finally got the parts installed on the C7 Corvette. Got the carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber dash kit, and center console. Also got the Corsa MPP exhaust. We'll let you hear how it sounds in a minute. Also got the Ventador style tail lights. So let me crank it up, let you guys hear how it sounds, and go to the different valve modes. So I'm gonna let you guys hear how it sounds. This is the Corsa exhaust in sport mode. This is the Corsa exhaust in touring mode. Those lights look beautiful. This is the Corsa exhaust in track mode. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what I did to the engine area. Yeah, the Corsa Performance intake had the Red Dragon 95mm throttle body. Right there you can see the Red Dragon throttle body. It also has a ported intake manifold done by Red Dragon. I love the carbon fiber look. I love the car as a whole. Looks awesome. want to give a special shout out to Tim Tiny at Red Dragon. He's the one that did the ported intake manifold and the throttle body. I also want to give a shout out to Austin and Tyler at Calibrated Speed and Performance. They're the ones that did the install of the Corsa exhaust and the Corsa intake. And a special shout out to Marcus. He's the one that did the install on the carbon fiber steering wheel and trim pieces. Until next time, see you guys later. Click that like and subscribe button. Like this video. Give me suggestions and comments what you think about this C7 so far. Thanks guys. Till next time, this is Antlo Boy 2020.